Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn fraction of an amount. This is an exam style question. With the help of problem sum, we are going to see how to solve fraction of an amount. A bag contains 42 color counters. A counter is selected at random from the bag. The probability that the counter selected is red is 2/3. Work out the number of red counters in the bag. Information to you is 42 color counters, 2/3 are red, and we need to find out number of counters, how many are red in that. So try to solve this, pause the video, and then we will go together. Right. So now the given information is 2/3 of 42 counters are red. And whenever you need to find the fraction amount of a total given number, there is a rule. You will go with the rule. The rule is you are going to divide total amount with the bottom number. Okay, so you will divide it. So you will say, so you will divide total amount with the denominator. So you are going to divide. So this is a division process. Okay, so you are going to say here, you are going to write 42 divide by 3, and the next step is you times with the top. So you are going to do, so it is, second step is multiply with the numerator. Okay, so numerator is top number. Alright, so you are going to do here times 2. Okay, I repeat. So whenever you need to find the fraction of an amount, you are going to divide with the bottom and times with the top. So divide with the bottom times with the top. So how many 3 can make 42? You can use a buster method if it is non-calculator paper. So you can do it 3. How many 3 you can get in 4? 1. And the remainder is 1. Now you have 12. How many 3 can make 12? 4. So answer is 14. And then times 2. 14 times 2. So what is the double of 14 will be? 28. So your final answer is 28 are the red counters in the bag. Okay, so this is your answer, 28. Now let's see one more question. And this you can see total marks is 3 marks. Okay, let us see how to solve this fraction of an amount. Sarah buys 24 bars of chocolate. 2/3 of the 24 bars are white chocolate. The rest of the 24 bars are milk chocolate. Each milk chocolate bar has weight of 35 grams. Work out the total weight of the milk chocolate bars then that Sarah buys. So now you need to figure out. So they have given us that 2/3 of the 24 bar are white chocolate. So you need to find out how many were white chocolate. So you are going to write 2/3 over 3. 2/3 of 24. So you're going to use the same method. So you will say divide with the bottom and times with the top. So you will say 24 divided by 3 and times with the top. So how many 3 can make 24? 8 times 2. You get 8 times 2 is 16. So now so far you know that 16 are white chocolates. Okay, the rest of the 24 bars are milk chocolate. So now we need to find out that what are the rest. You are going to say 24 take away 16 is 8. So now 8 are milk chocolate. So these are milk chocolate. And now what is our question? Work out the total weight of milk chocolate bar that Sarah buys. And now they have given us a hint that each milk chocolate bar has weight of 35. So each bar weight is 35 gram. Now how many are milk chocolates here? 8. So we will do 8 times 35. And when you do 8 times 35, your answer will be 280 grams. Okay. So your final answer will be 280. And you scored 3 marks. So here this question was 3 marks. So you get 1 mark here. Then you get second mark here. And you get the third mark here. So it was 3-step problem sum. Okay. So this way you solve the fraction of an amount. Thank you.